Okay, hello everyone. This is the Brijesh Chaurasia. So today we are going to learn about the Quadruped animation. It's a name, Quadruped animation, like a animal animation. The character who are having the four legs, that will be a quadruped animal, and we are just going to animate that character, and we will learn about the a dog walk cycle in this lesson. And if going further, we just have to a clear concept of a biped animation. Biped animation is the animation which is the considered as a human walk cycle. So over here, I am having one reference of a human walk cycle. We can go through over it. In a human walk cycle, we must have two contact poses and one pass pose in the in between. Okay. So for the more realistic animation of a biped animation, we just need to add two more extra frames, which is called as a down frame and the up frame. So it will be goes as a flow, like the hierarchy will be goes as a contact contact pose, then the down pose, then the pass pose, then the up pose, then the contact pose. Okay. Let's not forget about the upper part of the body. We are going to see the movement of the legs of a biped animation. Okay. This is the contact pose. The front leg is the straight, then the back leg is the little bit tilt. Then the on the down, front leg will be go down as well as the back leg will be also go down. On the pass pose, front leg will be the straight and the back leg will be up little bit in the air. And the up pose, the front leg will go back, but it will be still remain straight, and the back leg will be little bit forward, but in the air, tilted air. Okay. Then again in the contact pose, the back leg will be straight and the front leg will be back, little bit tilted. Okay. So that is the N hierarchy of a biped animation. So we must know about the animal animation. There's a one reference of animal animation. See, these are the basic poses of the human character animation, biped animation, and there's a two main extremes of an animation, photograph animation, two contact poses. First one and 11th frame on the first frame and the on the 11th frame, but the leg movement is the vice versa. Okay, so just see in the detail to see in the detail, we are going over here. The uh, we can consider a biped animation. Two biped animation combines when the two biped animation combined, that will become as a quadruped animation. So we can consider as a front leg animation and the back leg animation. So if we are talking about the back leg animation, see, this is the on the that the contact pose, then the down pose, then the pass pose, then the again up pose on the air, then the contact pose on the ninth, then again it will be same as the contact pose, same as the contact pose, and on the 13th that will go on the down and the down pose and the pass pose, then up again on the 19th that will be uh, on the contact pose, and the on the 20th frame it will come to the same, it will come to the same as a first frame animation. Okay, now just see the front leg, the pass pose, then the up, then the contact. Again on the 7th frame it will go down, and then the contact and the pass pose, it will go so like that. Okay, it's changing a little bit. So uh, Let it be. Now come to the software. In the Maya software, I'm having a dog, rig dog. So we just need to create a animal animation in the Maya. Just come to the right view. For the referencing, I'm just going to import that reference over here. So come to the view image plane and the image, import the image and come to the your folder, existing folder, copy the link and paste over here. Control P, enter, make it all. Because of the some file extension, it can be deeper. Open. Yeah, it's imported. Press R to scale it. Now the direction of is little bit different, so we will rotate the image plane, reference image. Press W, keep it up. This doesn't matter where you are placing the reference. It's just a reference, nothing else. Uh, for the not selecting it, we can create a layer and lock it. Now it will be not selected. Come to the right view for the first frame, this one. Okay. Sorry, this one. This is the first frame. See, this is the first frame because I have rotated that. So see the position. Select the leg. Move little bit. Make it down first, and then select the leg. Make it little bit back and zoom it over here on the first frame. Okay, just make it 20 frames on the first frame. We are manipulating our character. Okay, keep in the mind. This is our first frame. So I think it will go a little bit forward. Uh, Again, little bit movement. Now the front leg. That is on the sports. Now, one by one, we are just going to add a key on the first frame. Select, press S to add a key, or we can add one time also. Just we have added the key, and on this two controllers also we need to add a key. Okay, now come to the third frame. According to our reference, see the third frame. The back leg will be on the in the air. Make it up and little bit back. This will be the same. Front leg, little bit back, little bit up and forward to create a pose. Again, need to add a key. So the X folder must be up over here because that is the up one. So make it up, little bit up. The back leg is the down again. So let it be as it is. Now come to the perspective to add a keyframes. Press S, press S. Child then parent. Okay, we just have to remember this hierarchy: child and parent to add a key on any particular frame. Now come to the fifth frame. Okay, now the front leg. It's on the passport. We must need to keep this in the mind. That will come to the town as a contact. Okay. Just come to the perspective to add a keyframes on all controllers, child and parent. This hierarchy must be there. Other than it won't be at the proper key to the character controllers. Now come to the seventh frame. On the seventh frame, the leg must go forward. This one go little bit back. Now the front leg. That come to the over here, and that must be on down. So I keep down little bit. Perspective. You just need to add a key on all the controllers. Parent and child, press S. Parent and child, press S. child and parent. That hierarchy must be there, child and parent. And over there also, come to the ninth frame. See, the ninth frame is a also is a contact, but for the back leg. That will be up, down, little bit down. Select the proper controller, not a board. To add a key. First of all, child, then parent. That hierarchy must be there. S and S. Now come to the 11th frame. C. On the 11th frame, that leg comes to the hip, back leg is come to the down pose, and the front leg is to come to the passing pose. So down and for the passing, little bit up, not more than C. The leg position on the similar is the back frame. So we are not going to change more for that, but this leg create a proper further animation. Okay, and that will be a passport that will is going down. For the folder moment, you can uh, add the finishing point when we are going to finish the character animation, sort of animation. So add the key again, add the key. Now select and first of all child, then parent. Okay, add key, child, then parent, add key. I'm going to reduce the frame over here, 11 frame, because we just added the 11 frame animation, and I'm going to rotate it and hide show and hide all the splines curves, not curves, to see the basic animation of a biped. Yeah, there's a lot of thing we just need to add and create, and we have to control the graph also. Display playback speed real time. So add up control the graph also, because there are some jerks and all. So that will we will learn in the next session of my class. For today's, these are the basic code of animation till the 11 frame, and then in the next session we are going to repeat that all the frames from the 11 to 20. So goodbye everyone.